Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Storm Bosi. Happy New Year to each and every one. Hope you guys enjoyed your New Year. Going to be playing a video for you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, peace.
I can balance me gal, wine and balance me gal, bubble dung, bubble dung, bubble 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 dung. Pretty girl stand bubble dung. Hey, me a say no man, you know, so at least the bodies represent for pretty girl stand. You don't know. Kick with them foot now, my friend. Dash them, you know. Every day is a carnival in Jamaica. Foreigners a fly from foreign and come. Pretty girl stand. You know the thing go.
Brash, accept or just open the page for a little bit. If me join the live, if people them can come, but then me can't join the live if somebody sitting them where I go show up on the screen. So you need to open the page or sitting. So if people them can come watch and carry back the news. Good. She's okay, she go open it. Me say bad Jenna. Me not on long this time. It live just restart less than half an hour ago. CPH pin right there, so paradise underscore queen underscore K underscore. Gonna follow that page that we pin. It's gonna be lit over there. See me pin it at paradise underscore score queen underscore K underscore. Hungry, you know. Fuck, I'm lazy at the same time. I don't want to order anything. Yes, Jenna. She said she have some stuff for boss and release. Yeah, she said she had go open a page. You not hear nothing? What you mean? Come and attack. Yeah, me there. I wait for Brash give it the go ahead and open up the page so people them can come watch. You feel for Mexican food? Yeah, I want steak and eggs with maybe pierogies or hash browns. I don't know. I'm gonna make that. Leclerc, Patsy ready. No, she not give the okay yet. We there wait patiently. You love it. As soon as she upload them, she can delete them off her phone. Why? Me feel like me I wait for this a tea forever. We just love people business. No, there no snow, no nothing. La Janet. Well, the tea I get cool. Where is Brashy Sassy? Buddy. I'm gone again. Hurry up, man, and open the page so people them can come. You ready? Now you come over here, laugh. We wait for the hot tea. Me still in my bed. Me about to get up and make some breakfast. Lord, yes. Peanut gone, people. Hello.
Yeah, peanut got up on the road. Me time so fi carry my bag pistachios um white cheddar.
And what him say?
And so okay, what you chattings with me?
So you know, hug him up first
Yeah,
before you know.
and he give me half my body.
So take it off. You soon get the whole light back.
Alright, dirty thinking blood people. Hello?
Yeah.
Nasty blood clad people.
Hold on the brush. Brush ready.
You think it got done today? And now for what we've been waiting for. Brushy coming to rip down Erica Green Giant armpits. Come on, step on up.
Blood clot. Are you so nice? I know, right, Luscious? Brush, me send you a request. Oh, disappear, ja. Okay, now come. Me add you. Lord, just a spin brush. Try back your paradise page. Get away, devil. You can't stop this. I'm going to hear you when you're not the panel live. Hold on, let me add you again.
Can you hear me now?
Yay!
Jesus.
Yes.
Yo, I can't go live from my paradise page, people. So,
Really?
wanna just have to, guys in the living room, I'm going live now, okay? Alright, guys. Wanna don't know, yeah? I have screenshot for sure as well. But when I talked to Erica X-Man, it was on the train. So I have to go for the speaker and get it through the speaker so you can hear. You just have to listen good, guys, okay? 'Cause it wasn't a good one. All right, take it from the start. The big money. Chemically, but $15, $16 an hour, maybe $14 an hour. But what happened is, now you have to deliver it now to make more. So may I take it from the beginning? And that's done. If Erica, chemically, the money. And I like Erica making that real money. Let me tell you what Erica do. All right, Erica work off the book for the people then. She had to the people them case, when they get a case, and then go to the people then. And said, listen, I will do it for you cheaper. Just have me work with you for the week, and you pay me so and so, and you have to pay the agency so and so. And as such, I get the work, then she teach you from the agency. Yeah. Okay. And you say, she make our money. She sit down at the big money. She make probably about $15, $16 an hour, maybe $14 an hour. But what happened is, don't you have to deliver it now to make more. So what she do know, she let the more money know by doing the living, you know. You understand? She down the bills. Yeah. She don't like to pay her bills. You understand? She don't like to pay her bills. When I meet Erica, Erica live in a roach infested room. Yeah. We'd have a set of hangers on the side. With just some little bit of clothes with hardly wear. Everything she wear, I really care about by the mall. You understand? Okay. Neiman Market.
feel it was Neiman Marcus. They should take back the buy. I should take back.
Sorry, they call you break up. Where you said Newman Market?
Yeah, Neiman Marcus. That's the name brand store. So we reap a red bottom and everything. You know?
Oh, Neiman Market.
Yeah, I ain't supposed to go. I should make sure to buy the things in. She put up the receipt. Good. And when she reach home, she have a little tool, so she take off the tag. I'll put them aside by the window or wherever. She put them aside. So when she wear the clothes, she come back and she put back on the tag. And she like, if she wear Friday night, she make sure she back in the Neiman Marcus by Sunday morning to return everything.
Okay.
You understand? And then she get her money back and she go put that back in her account. Because she says she now wear nothing twice. That's why you never tell her anything twice because she not a cool.
Okay.
If when Erica move with me, if when Erica first move with me, I get fucking know you could just with quick. Alright? She move them kind of me I stay in her room.
You not hear him good?
Yes,
Island.
bruh. Yes.
You not hear him
Just
good, yeah?
me.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dog, we have a 3-bedroom apartment. And me take one room, the next person take the other room, and the rest of the man take the other room.
Yeah.
Erica come there. I'm going to look like 3 10 hours. I can't tell you things that me have to go with a girl, bring the fuck with a girl, rasta fucking girl. You understand? I want to keep the place clean. So
Yeah.
Erica come there, Erica come bring her microwave from Philly. Who tell us to bring her microwave from Philly? Blood clot, the amount of roads and stuff start come out of the fucking microwave and start spread through the house. My landlord want to put me out through the microwave. Listen, I come out from work one day. And when I look at the microwave that I get in front of the building, I mean, I say, oh, God. You must say, dog, what kind of roach nest you come bringing at my house? So the fuck you talk about? The man said, dog, the microwave full of roach, brother. And it has spread through the water if you know it on the roach. I said, dog, I'm going to bring a little eat that girl boy, dog. I feel roach are coming at the house. I mean, I said, look at us, Jano, the embarrassed, you understand?
Yeah.
I said, yo, you're not bring that back in the house, you know, dog. You have to leave that outside, my landlord don't want to put me in your house. You understand? I just go.
Hello? People up on the train, him did there talk to me. Yeah, sorry, the internet dropped. Okay.
Yeah, man, so boom. Yeah, and she come on, we have to tell her, say, yo, my girl, you can't bring them things here, man. So when me look down there, look on it, and I say, yo, yeah, me and Ben get our road. You understand?
Yeah.
When me look, we see a beautiful father, which is a Batman, okay? Which is a blowing Bronx area Batman.
What's it called?
Name
20 name.
Everybody knows him a Batman. So when you know, if I use fuck off the girl, I'm breathing. Which I told to the world, say, man, a Batman. But everybody knows him a Batman, because if a Batman used to spar it. You understand?
Yeah.
Right? The beast a Batman. Right? And if they are road out, I fuck down the first now, because I'm trying to show to the world, say, some girls. But deep down him is a Batman, the name Tony Hype.
20 iPhone.
Tony Hype, not Tony, Tony. You understand? The man call him Tony. Remember the two words being the man he put over and make the man call him Tony. You understand?
Yeah.
Pure like them used to ring on the youth head. Alright, it's a great that Batman. And the Batman turn and this side with the youth and left side with the youth. That's what it's all right. You understand?
So you would take up this girl now for brush her off?
Yeah, okay. I thought that's for sure.
Yeah.
Just to flex with the boy Demos. Now you get everything. Demos. We'll keep the president all over there. So in New York, can just keep him part of this Saturday. Just flex with Demos in the meantime. Okay? I'll reflect with him. I'm going to reflect with him. I'm going to flex with him. I'm going to look the dog. You start to buy liquor everywhere I'm going. And buy him liquor and then we get out of the bottle. And first he used to go out to people and stand up in a people's picture. I mean, start to feel funny because I'm my girl. You know, so I mean, I fuck you know. I'm not too real for you, though.
Come.
Okay,
Read that, girl. Yeah. Which part of your B must come from? Can name the sound familiar? Oh. Yeah. 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 Hear this, y'all. Jano. Jano. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Jano. About a scandal bag. Yes. Bombas.
You understand?
Yeah.
It ain't the blood clot for how long and you still have that about it. Me get together 4 years. So that means for that baby about 10 years old now.
Yeah.
Online in a 2019 approximately of cannabis bed. So you can't show because it ain't a story. She don't like to be a bill. That's why she's not the shit. All our friends them when we meet down there. The whole of them did at this side. Say, yo, I used to sleep on my floor. I used to sleep on my couch. The whole of our friends them, cause she kept the whole of the girl in my friend. The whole of the girl in the start empty move. You understand? The one say, yo, everybody sleep on my floor. The next one says, she's from Erica, what are you doing here going on with? She had to have a hard time. Sorry to be bad at that. Erica,
Man.
you understand?
Yeah.
I know her dad, you know, when them send her to the work, she go to them and she break the people them off and say, listen, we let go off for them people there and then pay me direct. They charge her $1,000 a week. I mean, we live with her. You understand? And as such, I get the case then. So I make a little chance, she go like she a big. Anybody, if you know on the bills, I get a $1,000 a week. It's not easy to put up that. You know on the bills.
Exactly. She not the money management, man.
Exactly. So she got my line of going like she had this big thing. For the last 2 years, I ain't gonna live nowhere. Okay?
Yeah.
Buy the house, you know. Buy the house. And the house is put online, she get it, yes? But that's not the house Erica wanted. Okay? That's not
Yeah.
wanted. But that's research and everything. If you look on the house, if you buy it, you put on the internet, it's something to say that you in New Jersey. That is the cheapest part of Jersey, the hood. Okay?
Also in the woods, cheapest.
Yeah, she buy a little cheaper in the hood. And with a rent out, because the cracky them don't live there already. And she said, fuck it, you know real estate, real estate setup, and just want to make a sale with you. So them tell her, say, yo, listen, you don't have enough money to put on to this big house here. And you need a secondary, signature to get that house here. Because if you see the know, she not tell nobody, you see what I mean, I did done back up already. She called me back and she think I want to talk to you, come see me please. I'm going to come out there, now my girl on the edge phone, I'm going to come out there, but she never know my girl on the edge phone. Come on, who I go on, I'm the one my girl be a witness to anything we go on, if anything they go on. You understand? So let me talk there, so I tell me to listen, look off the girl. I'm going to forgive you, look off the girl, and let me and you link up, and this is the house we could buy. Then we go a nice, big, beautiful house. I mean, I got die, I was tempted, but I done buy 2 houses for me at 26 already. So I know how them things are turn out. Because I end up having to sell it to me and my big mother catch up. End up sell it to her in back. You understand?
Yeah.
So me, I look on it and I say, all of a sudden, you really come to grips with me. And at that, you can't purchase the other house you want. You understand? And you need me to come to me and ask me how much me have to charge us to do the little repairs in the house.
Oh, so she buy a crack house.
She buy a crack house, man. And that's why she don't live there. Because Erica don't want to bill. So she left the crackhead in the leg. And they might pay the bill. And what do you say? I try to get them out. Me here, look at story. She try to get them out. She did go to court to get them out. And she couldn't get them out. You understand? But she tried to get them out by now. Probably put somebody else in there. You understand?
Yeah.
So she never let me go back to the garbage. Don't see so you can have some ammunition on her. Right?
Yeah.
No. After I find out everything, we move around. We get a place at in New Jersey. Get a big private house, the backyard, front yard, side yard, living room, dining room. Our son have a own big room. We have a big master bedroom. You understand? But we set her up nice. And I said, yeah, they're right. I said, no, nobody know where you're there. Nobody has to know where you're there. You can still do it. I can still go to work. I'm a perfect place for there right now.
Yeah.
So, I mean, set her up out there. Now, when I look now, Erica tell me now, act like me is her uncle. I said, when I do that
Uncle?
she said, yeah. Because, listen, when I do that for?
She brighty.
Yeah.
She brighty see me look for your check, I'm gonna your Facebook and send you a message, you know, me look for your picture and I say, you don't look bad at all. So what kind of uncle thing she talk about?
No, never say. Me come to her, what you mean, uncle? She said, no, more you sign a paper here. I said, which paper is? She said, no, the letter, me carry down a welfare. I said, carry down a welfare. I said, yo, me no want to call them in a man movie, you know, dog. Oh, we are going to see her. She said, no, because it's on the right direction. I'm going to act like my homeless, and they're going to give me free food stamps so I can get the food, and we never pay for food there. Oh, I said, mom, look like you see her? She said,
I
yeah.
saw a girl that want to live.
Yeah, she don't want no bills, dog. You understand? So she go down at the place. I have me as an uncle, and I have him look, make it look, you know what? Me, I see that little trouble. I mean, I say, you know what I mean? I have to look over. But, me not supply no food, but we supply like the letter. Sign Derek Kingston, right. I'm going to give her the letter. She go down, I'm look, she get a card. Oh, the card for buy food. Alright?
Yeah.
No, no. She start get the food now. She have a look on me, you know, and tell me the minute get no money to watch the food that I own.
Oh, where the rat is for? They not get the letter.
You never tell me drop a letter so you could get the food stamps or wherever. You understand? But say you never drop a letter you come and drop and you ask, who the fuck you come to me more, yo? You come to me more, need to give money. Need to give money to our food.
She's a joke.
Yeah, that big joke, that big not a sense, not a head. Eric is uneducated. You see the whole thing? Eric never used to think about that. Eric used to want to come and flash on people, make our money come back and go flash on people. And I keep doing that year by year. Mr. My girl, you have to be a big dancer, joke. You're big when you're 30. You don't have a house yet. You still a clean back if you're living. But I get the little money, you know, so you make that color when you keep it down. You don't take the money and go put it on a house. You understand? I didn't tell the sister I killed. I said, you know, you're right. We say, the minute you got that shit, you know, the people in soon like you. What you have to do when the next hot girl come in? What you have to do? You get older. What you have to do? And I start thinking that she give up dancer. I really make her give up dancer. After I stopped at the party where she keeping her this September, it was a new party. She tried to keep oldies versus goodies or some shit like that. That was her last party. And she said the people they were really about different with her. They not spend the money with her like they used to. And I thought she did it because she said things that look like you're right.
Sorry, which party was our last party?
The oldies, the goodies, the oldies, sunsets, oldies, the goodies, something like that. It was a oldies party she keep. You understand? And when the people in the stress, she said the mother not spend the money like they spend. She had a birthday party. You understand? She started crushing every man. You understand? She started crushing, so the money want to buy this, the money want to buy that. You understand?
Yeah.
I say, yo, listen, dog, you know, this is nothing to be living on. This is just a party. You're taking a chance with your money. You understand? You're taking a chance with your money. And if you work with it, if you don't work with it, don't work out. If too much rain come down one night, you lose the whole of your money where you put it. So really, you really have to take the chance. And after that night, if you look at she realize she don't make the same money, she say, King, I'm done. We said, okay, good. We said, we need to know. You take the little money, put up in your bank account, and go and build. Go find a real estate agent and start, let's make you look for a house. Because me, they want a house. And me have money in my annuity account. You understand?
Yeah.
My money is a man who work me in the union. Every year me work to put up about 27,000, about 18 to 22,000 in my annuity account. Every year.
Yeah.
Me work a whole year, that me get in my annuity account in the union. You understand? So you look up to me for going to my union and say, listen, we need 10,000 money, 10,000 loan out of my money. We need a $20,000 loan out of my money. She not have them asking me because she just a clean ass for a living. But today she's still clean her ass for a living. But she's taking a little lump sum now and it's starting to add up. So now she's starting to go like she's a big willie. You're not a big willie, you don't have no responsibility. You're living off of the fucking clients.
Yeah.
You're living off of the clients. You're living in the nursing home. You're living in hotels. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You're living in hotels. You're living in nursing homes. You're living in the clients' houses. You understand what I'm saying? You don't have nothing for yourself. And you're so curious to the from the future. Today, you have to see yourself. You will pick up me sick and everything. Me get sick and another hospital. You understand? Eric, I look for me and tell me, say me, I go pay the rent same fucking way. While me, I live in the hospital. I go think with that money put out.
Bombard, so she couldn't even back you up there, so.
Me with the fuck. But I'm come out of the hospital. I put two hook up to the kidney on my back. You understand? Mr. Eric, I need somebody to help me clean my back. And the tube kind of leak from the urine from the kidney. You understand? Eric, I tell me she can't do it. I said, man, you better clean up your education to all type of people. Me and her, man, you can't help me clean my back.
Man, she should have glad for come bathe you off and wash you down and look after you.
Why you think we settle? Why you think we settle with that? Because you know,
You break up. You break up.
you see that girl with the red?
Yeah.
You hear me better now?
Yeah, me hear you better now.
Alright. I see me up on the water side, like the train is roll up the coast valley.
Yeah.
Up on the water side, so sometimes the signal got in and out.
Okay.
So my next girl now, Eric I never know, so me done find a next girl already. You understand?
Yeah.
And that girl used to come way upstate, and she used to come down and come check me at the hospital and come check for me. When me come out of the flat, she did it, Eric I never said it. Then I got to me about she have to work. And then the girl come pick me up out of my bandages and everything and bring me home. You understand? When I come and see her yard, because I said, Eric I don't look after you, me I don't look after you.
Yeah. That's how the girl on my contact.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a prettier girl than Erica, that's enough. Yeah. 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 Fucking hell. But if you bring you some nice fish tea or some nice good food for build back your strength in your body. Yeah. Yeah, you cut out when you say, nah, get into your business. Yeah, that's the nurse. Yeah, man, me I hear you. Yeah, me I hear you. Jano Star, you tell me I'm
Oh
feel it.
God.
You understand? I'm going to cry. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm crying at hospital, dog. I'm going to say, you say, I'm come out of this, dog. This is a learning lesson. God, I'm to feel right now. I don't want to get rid of that girl, you dog. You understand?
Yeah.
Come on, dog. We just get rid of Erica, dog. I say, yo, dog, this girl, you got now look at the things we move from the old house. We don't move from the first house. Because the landlord never want with it no more. Because every minute we are war. Because Erica is a girl. She come in and she thinks she had this big shit. She want to go and she got the money in the house, you know. You understand? I want to come fight with you now and she got draw knife on it. She needs the house and then she might she bigger than me. So I go and she could beat down and say, yo, listen, you better know me, dog. I don't hit you. I don't touch you. Don't put your hand on me. If you do put your hand on me, I didn't tell you to feel me. So you go feel my hand. You understand? You see that picture where I go on and she had the stitch mark in her head.
Yeah, my have it from something.
You know that come about? You know that come about? It's from a birthday. I'm a birthday. I'm not trying to say, oh, yeah, though. He did this early morning. I make 2 of us on course. I said, here, well, God. You see me? I'm a birthday today. But I said, I'm not going to argue. No, woman. No. You understand? I said, just want to do you what you never do with me, I do. See this, I'm going to tell her. I'm going to go in my bedroom. I'm going to get jiggy. You understand? But I'm a clothes, I'm a chin, I'm a hat. Don't get that haircut from the day before. I'm a well small. I said, look, I'm the all. I'm going to check your next girl. I said, the fuck you, I tell you, I'm not saying a thing with you. The fuck you, I ain't know what it's for. You understand?
Yeah.
Just like I got through the door. When me look at you, something poking on my head. You understand? If I spin it out, scan the girl pick up and come damage me in my head, dog. I have the scan on my head same way. You understand? I'm feel my heart, I'm having a white Brooklyn net cap. I'm feel my heart. I feel my heart cool. My heart feel cool and then I start feeling my forehead and it feel cool. I'm looking at my hand. I have pure blood. Listen, snap. Let's get Erica a blood clot right hand. With all in my mind, dog. Alright, I know. Erica fly across the bedroom. Fly across the floor. Fly across the bedroom, dog. I drop on the floor.
Yeah.
I kind of come back to my senses. I say the blood clot me just do. I'm looking over and see I head walking up. You understand? But me never beat her, no. And you look me like first as can. So I was defending myself when the dude. So I said I'm going to call us to tell us someone call the police. You say, yeah, man, call him. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, call him. So when the police show me, they know that she put her hand for her first and she licked me on the head. I'm going to lick her back out. That's why they arrested her. Because regardless of what, you should have never put your hands on him. He never touched you. You put your hands on him first. And you bust into the man's head. So I gotta tell the people that me to the space that can and lick myself in the head. The officer said, you couldn't come with something better than that? Yeah, turn off. Take her ass down there and then shut the mouth shot picture come out. You understand?
Yeah.
So, doing the mouth shot picture in my way, she ended up sending 4 hours down there or whatever. She was sending 4 hours in the prison. Me and the all night coming down a warrant for my arrest. So the one out on me and let go off her shit, but they never let her off the case. Okay?
Yeah.
So she got said because as a kid when I said my citizenship yet and it got fuck me up in the dog with the violent charges. She said, well, I'm going to son where come out of this. I said, yo, the only thing he could do is to be honest with the judge, you know. She said, no, can't be honest, we'll be honest, you cannot put us through a whole lot of shit. I said, so what you want for them? But now I take the blame. I'm going to take the blame, get enough in the pressure. I'm going to take it.
Yeah.
I said, yo, we could just tell a man, so we made a mistake, yo, we getting married, and we made a mistake. So we tell him, when we go to the judge, so we got to see the judge same time. I'm going to say to the judge, say, yo, Yana, we both made a mistake. You understand? We actually get married tomorrow, which we wasn't. But I was lying to the judge so he could feel a little, you know, how do you say, lenient probably. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm thinking we both get married tomorrow. Oh, no, we both get married this Friday. You understand? I just, you know, it was a mistake we both, so big misunderstanding. The judge looked at both of us and he said, man, do you agree with what he said? He's like, yes, Your Honor, yes, Your Honor. And he's like, listen, don't normally do this, but I'm going to throw this out. okay, if I see any of you back in my courtroom, I'll bring this back.
Yeah. Yeah, at that she say used to beat her because she broke down on the live a cry, you know. On the live itself, you know. Erica broke down a cry, you know, say she had come out of domestic affair.
I deal with that girl here 2 years no longer deal with it. I tell her I ever put my hand on her. I tell she'll tell you. She'll tell you that many keys in too soft. Keys are not doing thing there. Little mother, you understand that my stepfather used to beat my mother. So he promised myself we would never put my hand on her.
Talking some can't
Me to touch him, but nah, touch him. I give up. We could have kids that fuck her body, but nah, touch him.
Yeah.
My little woman, I used to do it. She did no things when we could have slapped her ass. I'm a don't touch her. She'll tell you. And she looked for me and say,
Yeah, break up.
me come to her. She had this stitch mark in her head.
Yeah, my have it from me, something.
You know that come about? I'm a Christian. I'm a birthday. I'm a hot.
Yeah.
Hold on there.
Me
Wait.
rewind it
My
back so
phone
you hear
ring.
about the beating part there.
Okay. My
I
phone
beat
will
the
ring.
part that you
Sorry.
hear back. People who are coming late, can the apple you miss it? And as you know, did hear me come out and cuss her, Tristan Murphy did beat her in a Connecticut for her little boy, because she had left the little boy all about pan people. Erica, where you played that voice note for over Puss last night for? Yo, you shouldn't play diary live where we keep over, yes, so you can't use Erica. So me I done you with your whole courthouse file tonight. We have 3 more tier people, so make we finish off this. Yeah.
Like I got through the door. When me look at you, something poking on my head. You understand? If I spin it fast, can the girl pick up and come damage me in my head, dog. Because I'm just scared of my head same way. You understand? I'm going to feel my heart cool. My heart feel cool and then I start feeling my forehead and it feel cool. I'm looking at my hand. I have pure blood. Mr. Snap. And there's the Erica blood clot right hand. With all in my mind, dog. Alright? I know. Mr. Erica fly across the bedroom. Fly across the floor. Fly across the bedroom, dog, and drop on the floor.
Yeah.
Then I kind of come back to the sense and say the blood clot I just do. I'm look over and see her head open up. You understand? But we never beat her, no. And you look me like straight as can. So I was defending myself. So when the truth fell, I said, I'm going to call him. Tell her someone call him. Tell her someone call him. Please, you say, yeah, man, call him. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, call him. So when the police showed me, they know that she put her hand on her first and she licked me on the head. I'm going to lick her back up. That's why they arrested her. Because regardless of what you should have never put your hands on him. He never touched you. You put your hands on him first. And you bust into the man's head. Try to tell the people that me to the space stars can and lick myself in the head. The officer said you couldn't come with something better than that? Yeah, take her ass down there and then let the mugshot picture come out. You understand?
Yeah.
So, knowing the mugshot picture him or whatever, she ended up spending 4 hours down there or whatever. She ended up spending 4 hours in the prison. Me and the did all night coming down with warrant for my arrest. So they would run out on me and let go off her shit, but they never let her off the case. Okay?
Yeah.
He got said because as a kid when I had my citizenship yet that was fucked me up in the dark with the violent charges. He said, well, I told you something. Where, come on, Daddy. I said, yo, I want you what you could do to be honest with the judge, you know. She said, no, we can't be honest, we'll be honest. You're gonna put us through a whole lot of shit. I said, so what you want for them? But nah, take the blame. I would take the blame, they're in the pressure. I'm but nah, take it.
Yeah.
I said, yo, we just tell them so we made a mistake. We getting married and we made a mistake. So we tell them when we go to the judge, so we gotta see the judge same time. I'm gonna say to the judge, say, yo, Yana, we both made a mistake. You understand? We actually get married tomorrow, which we wasn't. But I was lying to the judge to make her feel a little, you know, how do you say, lenient probably. You understand? I'm
Yeah.
thinking we both get married tomorrow. No, we both get married this Friday. You understand? I just, you know, it was a mistake we both. Big misunderstanding. And he's like, listen, don't normally do this, but I'm gonna throw this out. Okay? If I see any back in my courtroom, I'll
This thing humble yourself.
Used to beat her because she broke down on the live and cry, you know. On the live itself, you know. Erica broke down and cry, you know, said she had come out of domestic affair.
I deal with that girl, 2 years, no one to deal with. I tell her, I ever put my hand on her. I tell her, she would tell you. She tell you that many kids in too far. Things are not doing things there. Now, my mother, you understand that my stepfather used to beat my mother. So he promised myself we would never put my hand on a woman. Yeah, I do myself need to touch him. But nah, touch him. Make it off. We could have catch you fuck her body, but nah, touch him.
Yeah.
Now, my little woman that used to be there, she did love things when I could have slapped on her face. I'm like, don't touch her. She would tell you. And she looked on me and say, you're different. She tell me straight, you're different. You know, some other Jamaican man, them back from a pussy clan. You understand? And I don't touch her. I can ex before that. How come you never touch her? How come you only beat for you?
Yeah.
Before that, I can be a mother then. You have to do things that suck if the things that touch the man like a things that nah touch the guy. His mother used to get beat when he was a youth. Hard body.
Yeah, but me ask you a question. A Tristan, a she to get beaten in the place with the buckle?
Tristan beat her off of Connecticut.
Ah.
You understand? Why Tristan beat her? Because she left her youth for everybody. I know you hear the side from the girl in Philadelphia. I see you think she touched the girl in Philadelphia same way. But that never hit the internet. Before Tristan, that never hit the internet. But me have the girl in town. All the girls want to go for that. She look up, free, do it, do it,
Yeah, break up. Yeah, break up. Hello? Erica, Oitgo. Erica, this a when them want me for come out, come cuss you. And put some boot up and try use them head pan me, but me use mine and get the recording. Erica, how it go? I put send boot up, want me for cuss Tanya, yeah? And them send blood clot boot up for work pan me and boot up, send me for blood clot Kingston. And when me can't find Kingston, she say contact him blood clot woman. She name such and such, I'm go contact him woman. Erica see here, the files them not tell no lie. You hear when me ask him if I the girl when me contact, yeah. Erica, how it go? Anybody want come in, cause intermission, you know. I may have more files for Erica. Erica, how it go? All the blood clot, you know, stand up and cuss blood clot, love Saunders. You know, use diary live with Rihanna over, yes, so I try fight on the war. On a week over there, so Erica. Me not stop say on a week no blood clot, Erica. Erica, how it go? Diary, what you want me to do with the rest of files? Cause you're sure, you know. What you want me to do? You want me wait
Run
for them come
file.
back later? Or you just want me run file?
Oh, I'm reached back home already. God.
If
Maybe
we
we'll
reach
be
back
taking a
home, we
video.
left the files for when them come back later. I have a couple more files for drop out. Oh, it got Erica. You hear all your clothes thing got Erica. You buy
Yeah,
the
two
dance
of them.
clothes them, put the receipt up on the window, and then carry it back the next day down a Neiman Market. Anybody where they are America know Neiman Market? Yeah. Wanna hear what the man say? Erica, oh you go like you want use to fight your buckle. It no go so Erica. Erica, how it go? Blood clot. After me come over there last night, I rub on they have to tell me, say, you blood clot learn from me when me learn from Puss. Puss say recorded the mother. Tanya, where you there? Cause I want a voice there.
Is Tanya even
Recorded the
there?
mother. How it go? Diary, talk to me.
Yeah, Tanya there, yes.
Hmm?
No, wrong place there. I look to Ross. No, Tanya not
Yeah,
there.
see? Somebody from America come say it. You know that I'm just drinking some Malibu and Coke, but I've got some cover safe for later. All right, there is a wait till she come back. So people, I eat that. Yeah, I may have some blood clot screenshot with me and the man WhatsApp messages. The man say your son say you're mental. Wanna know hear the man say she mental too? Hmm? Hmm? Erica, you
That
know when I come out, me no cuss you with the blood clot line. I'm come out with the real blood clot files. Erica, your whole courthouse blood clot file. Boy, you go play diary live last night over Puss. You know, so I come over there and I like the people them. They must say, Erica, stop play. We don't want to hear it no more. Yeah, car I come right say, yeah, use her for fight your war. No blood clot more in this. Yeah, down there so she buy the brand clothes them luscious. Down there so and put the receipt them on the window. You know, hear the man talk. The man talk, you know. Eric have couple more files for drop, but there is a for wait. Yeah, dirty blood clot. Erica boy, you come out last night. Yeah, when the hear a part the good. Yes, I'm glad when hear the things them. The
like
microwave with the
everyone.
roaches. A long time me a cuss her a tell her it, man. Long time me a talk about our microwave with the roaches. And where roach a go? Rebim, kill him. Yeah. Bim kill them. Roach in the corner, roach in the microwave, blood clot. Hmm?
People them are listening, you know.
When you cross the
Wonders
line the
love
last
Sanders
night,
over here.
you commit a blood clot suicide, Erica. Is a suicide you commit last night. You never know. You know how long me sit down on them. I'm telling the date when I get a tape, yeah. 12th of November 2019. Yeah. Right there so.
Wow. Sit down pan it long though. The part where him say he was sick
You know me, Island
and she
Candy. I only come
neglected
out when
him. I
I'm happy.
know. That was sad.
The part when what?
When him sick and she neglect him.
Yeah, all the RN nurse, I
Think
say, if
all
she
her
was
son
fee
came
woman.
back
Because
to
them
me.
people, them all see good man in
Mm,
the hospital. I chew him have
I
the little
can't.
brownie, make the RN nurse never get him. Erica, you lose him to the brownie. And fish tea and blood clot steam fish you carry down at the
And I know what
hospital.
getting in microwave either. Like that's like
That's how
ugh.
nasty this girl is. See, I'm like how nasty man. I run up and down on the internet and I write all sorts of things about Tanya and Tanya Pitney. That's how our nastiness work. So the nastiness, them follow her up in the blood clot microwave. Nasty girl. You know, hear the man says a crack house she go buy and she go court and couldn't get the blood clot crackhead them out of the house.
I
Erica,
don't
oh
think
it
I've
go, yeah,
ever
your
seen
crack
a
house.
cockroach
And you hear the
from I
man
left
say she get the
Jamaica.
house for little or nothing.
Oh,
Erica, oh it go.
I never
Oh,
see a
you run, go for
cockroach now.
blood
Where me
clot
go?
over your so fine.
Ooh.
Once you
Miss
cross
Let's
the
living
border,
with
Erica, you
cockroaches.
commit suicide. Sewer blood clot side, you commit Erica. Remember me tell you that. Boy, you have roach in a
Yeah,
microwave.
no, me not think me ever see a cockroach in a Canada. No, also me go nowhere.
And
Unless
you
them
bag a
sitting there.
scandal bag them.
Yo.
Hmm?
Yeah, she
Erica, you
attacked
say
about rat in
rotting
the
the way, no
way.
a roach in the blood clot way. Oh, it
A roach
go.
in the way. Ew.
Roach in the way. Oh, it go, Erica. But we now use diary name over this so and diary live. How it go?
Crazy.
How it go? You never know I have this though. Long time I sit down on it from 2019. But you violate last night, Erica. You cross the border. So when you cross the border, where blood clot shoot you down like this. Yeah. Yeah, all the girl named Tristan Murphy, because Tristan Murphy, my contact her, but
You
Tristan
know,
Murphy
here
are
said
good
people
girl.
have their family come visit and all these things, and he was alone. And he cried. Oh,
$5,000 for abundant crack house in a Philadelphia. Like a better money, Erica. Oh, a better money. That's how I must have blood clot spend over the Christmas, yeah, Erica. Oh, it go. We no care. Me no, never retreat from my one year, Me no, never recover from my one year. Cause Puss I go sit down and say, fuck, me shouldn't send boot up to brush, And she go do over there and say, tire wears brush, stinking brush, dirty brush. It nah do me nothing. But me know me a lick on over here, so. And if Puss come, me drop out for your one too. Make me tell you that. And don't fuck on yourself when you see me about here. And don't fuck on the blood clot self. I don't fuck with you bitches. You don't fuck with me. Candy. Candy. Make sure you save a life, yeah.
I will. Hold on, just one chat.
Yeah, right there so. You see it, Storm. Yeah, right there so. Diary said it's crazy. Diary is a lucky thing we keep them blood clad tape for your time. Yeah, cause we never know the girl would have eat over there so with your life. So it's good to keep things sometimes, people. Sometimes it's just good to keep things. When you know you can't kill them, you just sit on it. I trust myself my play. Before I move, me have to see your move first. And right away, I have my blood clot night and prawns. Them I defend my blood clot over here, so. Oh, it go. The roach sick with the stomach, no. But did have all a picture of the roach microwave. I wonder where it there. Never go looking at my contacts. Murder. Bitches, bad to the bone over here, so. Be bad from me, man. And that me I tell you though. Checkmate, brush. Yeah, right there, so. Right there, so. Yo, hear the part where she say she call the man and I tell the man say to leave the woman and come make him and go buy. Oh, so we do they get a part there? Can they go save the life so they can go back go listen it? Murder! Stop walk up on the internet and make mischief. Erica, New Year is coming. Go look about yourself. Try to achieve something, girl. That's my warning. And that's why we glance up. Erica, or go. Erica, it's sweet, me see. When me hear you play there, hey, you know, say I doze, me that doze well last night, you know, me the pan candy live, you know. And me a doze, and me ear diary voice. So me say, wait, how what is a go on here, so? And me jump up, me say, what go on? And me say, Erica play diary live. I'm a run go over the on my blood clot fake page and start bust it up on our blood clot. You know, me learn from you, Erica, who learn and me learn and teach you no blood clot that. Go away. Go away. Boot up with your fish brain and come to me. A fish bomber clot brain on have me a get a real gal. So me here wanna come, I wanna come and oh come cuss, come cuss, come cuss Erica. Come cuss Erica. When I say go find Kingston, go this, go that. Me say, and no, me still never come out back, come cuss Erica. The night when she come from my blood clot live and when she hear booed up voice and she say, no play no more, no play no more. Why you think she don't want me play no more? Try to hurt her in her blood clot soul for no say a booed up come to me. You get me? Yeah, cause booed up did I work two blood clot side. Oh, it go. Oh, it got, I'm still never come out because I did I play loyalty, same way. Still never come out. See it you now when you cross the blood clot bad. I'm saying you for stay over there, so and forget about over here, so. You get me? Before you come out. I know me not hearing no cuss Love Saunders, you know. When you go on with his foolishness, Love Saunders beat on a bad. I know me not hearing no cuss her. Beat on a bad. Yes, diary. You understand? And you go for diary live. I try look blood clot. What? It couldn't save you. It couldn't save you. Because Love Sanders not idiot. She not blood clot idiot. Me know she supposed to laugh off on the blood clot because she could all day so I listen to you, Erica. At least now the man just report your blood clot, tripe and belly. You bleed out now, Erica. Oh, it go. But you no come and use head for me when you in a group and come out yes I use head for me when you go. I what do you know? A 5 blood clot brother I grow with. When you can come use the head for me. Go away. Mm-hmm. When you
Okay,
no
I'm back.
violate me, when you no violate me, I'ma leave you from over there. So that roll out a blood clot red carpet for me, you see. And when my sister post up, Brashy, I got you 100. Me say, yeah, right there so. Right there so. And I just saw it go. You get me? So when my ear wanna drop out that last night, me have to come touch you, no, Erica. Boy, you're gonna holiday in a precious house. The house is precious house. It's not your mom house. When Precious and Pauline and Junie buy them house, Junie buy our house first. Then Pauline buy our house, yeah. Then me buy my house. Then blood clot Precious buy our house. When Precious buy our house, we their Precious house. So I'm do the house. So when you go live, and I go, Mr. But wait, our house look familiar. Eh? And you say me contact blood clot Michelle from Waterhouse and show her your blood clot cousin picture. I say me see you in a one picture with a girl here. Who a girl here? Yo, a dead or no dead. I wanna not even know so no dead. You never know. You never know. Hmm? Who no? You come pa internet a go on like you have some money guinea gang when you a blood clot fool. Eh? Little bit of money, little bit of house, little bit of you have nothing. Go back to America. Come off a UK life and go sit yourself down and go work some blood clot money and come back for brush. Yeah, right this up. Drunk crank, crow bait and hey, uno is a set of blood clot waste woman. From Puss, Erica, Nicole Dainty, the whole of una waste woman. The whole of una are some waste woman. Sid, the whole of una some waste woman. Sid, my toilet alone beat you bad car. Me no know what make you did come out with that the shit up toilet seat there and that the dirty blood clot toilet. And that the dirty blood clot house there. Uno for go sit down and look after on a life and come off the internet with no mental state. And me did write up over Puss before me leave. Say a lot of people there is suffering from mental illness. Uno need to be looked after. And on friend them not tell you, and the people them in the comments not tell you, because some of them love baga. So them not tell you, say uno sick. Uno sick. Uno sick. Sick people. And that's why me say me I come off because them say when you hang around too much around mad people and look where mad people are right and look where dunce people are right, you finally but find out myself all a blood clot type and not even I type the word them good. Like my dunce. So me start to adapt all no dunceness. Me no want to adapt the madness, you know. I rebuke the madness and send it back to the pit of hell. Unruly queen. Yeah. Hear this. One more river journeyman, one more river to cross. Cause the enemy a come like a snake in the ground. Me know if you go beat the drum too. Tell them you know. Tell them you know. Don't mess on yourself with me. Yeah. You know how much drum beat with unruly queen. All when you not beat me down, me over there beat the drum same way. To know. Wanna for stop girl on the internet making mischief. Wanna for stop it.
Fake pages for
Yeah,
big grown women. Yes, finally. Brush? Hi, brush gone. Okay. Oh, let me have a smoke. Kaya. Yeah, I just realized. Yeah. Sit down and have one. Diary gone. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now let me get my computer and see if nobody come. Mm-hmm. She a go come out. She probably a dead for Puss go live, you know. Blood clot Puss live, people. Hold on. I don't want them. Can't lose the live, yeah.
Let's go, monkeys. Eight standards.
Never get me catcher. Hold on,
Hey,
hold on.
like and share, like and share. Yeah, girl. I go rock and come in. Karen. Queen Ellis. Stephanie B. Ah. Eight Saunders. Catwell closet. Ah. Hey, Monkey Star, Russell. Hey. Simone. Daffy Future Wife. Monkey da. Hey. Hey, like and blood clot cheer. Axia. Monkey's out. The girl with the face bleach up. Like and blood clot cheer. All on the haters we are joining a cockroach and a like and share too. Boo. Hey, Axia. Like the curry go up on the fire. Maxine, baby, like and share. When you see them people shout, ah. When you see them people shout, ah.
Cause she not showing nothing. See screen that's how she would have this. Where you don't see her. But she in the dark. Let me get my charger, yeah.
Okay, guys. Blood. Ah. Okay, guys. Hey.
Or if I top play the music hardcore.
You mad? Whoa, let those monkeys out. Ooh,
Tanya, she just reached live.
Like and share. I ask you.
Yeah, charge my
Close
phone.
Sandra shop. Yeah, girl, the monkeys out.
Take off,
So let me show you now. Yeah. Watch dress. Watch my granddad likes you. Watch Christmas. Hey, Mr. She come. Blood clot. Likes you. Hey. Rock and blood clot come in. Rock and come in. People all on the screen good cause the monkey out for come.
Me wallet
Monkey out for come.
for this.
All a face like this. Eh? My God. So the monkey attack my sister. That's the monkey. That's the monkey. Love you too, baby. That's the monkey to blood clot. Hold on, man. My granddaughter sent me a picture. Relax, yeah. My nice kugata. My nice granddaughter. Relax, yeah. Cuteness and cute like in granny. Look there. Come a nice granddaughter. Right there, so. Granddaughter. That.
Fuck it, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, put on lipstick. Yeah, man. The way the woman wicked to her blood clot self. The woman is a wicked blood clot, man.
One hard to catch people.
The woman a monkey and she wicked to her blood clot. So I make the them coming like monkey too. Ooh, ha, ha, ha. Ooh, ha, ha, ha. Gotcha. Good God, you couldn't take the monkey sitting for yourself alone. You have to drop it on the poor picnic them. Eh? You have a hard time growing up. My God. Man, I ask you, eh? Nasty woman, dirty woman, nasty woman, where I say, where you there? Dirty woman, liar woman. Huh? 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 Huh?
I try make you see
Nasty liar woman. Me think they gonna drop out my blood clot deported document. You come with picnic by own video. You stupid. Bitch. That's why the people, everybody know you're a liar. And you look stupid and you look fool. Because you play big. You have my deportation document. Eh? And when you drop it out right there. Eh? You play another fool like your blood clot self. That's how fool you bitches are. Fool you fuck. You never have a fool, so eat Saunders. You stupid. You're being served. Each time you come out, you're being blood clot served. Eh? Nasty, wicked, dirty woman. See it there? When you read the blood clot text them like how them in the phone. See it, the dirty woman? See it, the dirty woman? See it there? 7th of August. Puss, could you call me? Me back then report my page. See that you call me.
I skip some of the text and you're writing when you're writing. I drop out this already. I drop it out again. See, it can't be a liar tell. Puss, could you call me back? Them report my page. This just start work. Alright? See the 7th August. See they no tell lies. See there. Me say, okay. Them report me too. I'm going live, Puss Rubber Dub. Tell her them put me on my Janet Bailey, me I go live on my Puss Rubber Dub. See there? Black and white. Nasty, hag-head, liar woman. Send out the text like how it is. Yeah. I ask you, woman. Yeah, girl, and then we come down here, so. You say, okay, I don't see your live. So they call me, see that? I don't see your live.
Oh, really, Brash?
Like, oh, you, okay. I don't see your live. I say, okay. I say, I like oh you rubber dub them. Don't stop. That's what I said. I like oh you rubber dub them. Don't stop. I say, when I go live, I say, when you go live, add me, so I finish them. So you hear me say, see the text here, because she have to read the text back real. Me say, when you go live, add me, so me finish them. So you say, me come and ask you for help, see there? Me say, when you go live, can them block me, add me, so me finish them. So me add me, so I finish them. Straight up. All right. Okay, I soon go Puss. Are you around? See, are you around? Look. All of the message you say you always call me. Look. Me write and say, yes, when you go send me, let me come on. See there? Me say, when you go send me, let me come. Okay, see there, black and white. So you read your text back and we. I am cleaning, but I can add live. So you see it? I tell her I am cleaning. See there, she no read out the part of what she said. Me say, when you go, send me, let me come. That's what I said to the dog shit. Okay, see there? Okay, Palone want come on live and exalt our big pussy. You read out the text, but you forgot to read out the part here. See there, lady? See there? You cheat, you say she no man wicked. You say, you come to with Palone. Oh, Palone want to come on live and exalt our big pussy. Me turn and me said to you, see that I am cleaning, but I can add the life. Because she tell me about Palone and Sharon about Palone. Me not entertain her with the Palone. Because even Palone come for my blood clot life. And I run up her mouth and ask Palone. I don't even entertain Palone. I never one day entertain Palone or Janet Palmer. Alright, go back. See that?
Don't call Janet
see
name.
This not a lie. I say to her, I am cleaning, but I can add the live. Okay, you should add Uko because Uko want to finish her. That's what I said. Uko want to finish Red Bull them. See that? She said, me ask her for add. I said, you should add Uko because Uko want to finish her. See, in a black and blood clot, right? The woman read the text back here. And she said, me done. Then she said, okay, but out doing grocery. So as Obi 4, look what she spelled. As Obi F4, one name so 4 out. Eh? She said, me done sit down, but look at this educated fool. As Obi 4 out, I'll come live and fuck her up. See there? See there? But she turned it round. Me say now, I am going to call Uko. Yep, I love how you bring down those bitch. Nothing wrong if me say that. Because you hear me tell you, say me love how you bring down the dirty girl when we give the information. That's why I never want Cake and Britney and the team push them bring you down. Because we have you as a stooge, a rubber dub. Me say, I love how you bring down those bitches. Down. Good job. She said, me don't know how to spell job. So can you tell me now, no J this? Come on, people, talk truth and say who downs. Now J-O-B this. How where do you want me put G-O-B? Eh? She said me should have a job. Good job. So when me should have put G-O-D? Can no God me I say? Me never say good God. Me say good job. You're a fucking educated fool.
It's J-O-B.
Then she said, Okay, laugh
Oh
out
my
loud.
God, that says J-O-D.
Them not baby, them Liam. See that she say me don't see no look here. Them are baby, them Liam. One name, so look on this dunce woman. See there now. If you don't read my text, them in everything right, you know. Look.
No.
I
Say
love how
good.
you bring down those
Puss
bitch
never go
down.
spell
God,
job. Oh my
good
God.
job. She said, me don't see no look here.
J-O-B.
Okay, laugh all out. Them no baby, them Liam. One name, some. And me just respond because
My
woman, I'm
God.
yes, love. I love it. Then she write, see that she said, me say and brassy to see that. She write, laugh out loud, especially dirty brassy. See it here. See it here, and I see talk truth, you know. Laugh out loud, see it. And me that not the blue, see there, laugh out loud, especially dirty brassy. So all this woman said me come, show me a text with me come to you about brassy. When me not even did that entertain brassy. Me never did I entertain Brassy till when time Brassy come for me when me I laugh off her ear. Remember me seminar, me never did I rub Brassy, so what you talk about? Me never come for Brassy till this year when me show Brassy picture with her pumpkin, papa blood clot nose. And she run up on her life, me start bring her down. Me don't need nobody for cuss, me cuss 10 people one time, you're the queen of cussing. Nasty rocker face woman, rocker face woman, see that? Laugh out loud, especially dirty brassy. That's where you say see there. When you looking at my text, look when you see me tell her, say bring down nobody in my blood clot text. Let me go back from exhibit 1. Can the woman turn around the blood clot text?
Me need fit.
I never know what
Zoom up the text part.
I have them here the 7th of August. Look. Peter man and give him right. See that she called me. Puss, could you call me back them report my page? See there? He write and say, okay, them report me to I'm going live, Puss rubber dub. That's when me tell the dog shit. Okay, I don't see her live. Okay. Like me say me like how you rub them down. You rub them. Don't stop. Me say, all right, listen, you know, when you go live, add me so me finish them. So how come me ask you for rub for me when me say you fi add me cause my live and the Janet Bailey Brock? So when you go live, add me, make me finish them. See it, you know, she turn it round, you know. See the exhibit, and she say, every day the woman poo say she a liar. When you go live, add me so me finish them. So me finish them, you know. Tell me which part me did ask the woman for help. Me say, when you go live, add me so me finish them. Me finish them, woman. 7th of August, listen. Yes. When you go send me, let me come on. That's what I say to her.
Who's that if that read what she write? She a fix it up.
Yeah, you. Yeah, me. Yeah, girl. Same song. When me say that to her, when you go send me, let me come on. Me come on to do my job. Me can me fully blood clot bad. Me bad no blood clot. Me not see no girl we can rub like me. No girl. That girl in a bonnet. Then she said, okay. Then she said to me, Palone want come on live and exalt her big pussy. All you hear she read all the text them. She skip out from the Palone part. Palone want to come on live exactly. Live and exalt her big pussy. See that? And that line. If I'm lying, I'm dying. They said to her, because she tell lie, I am cleaning, but I can add the life. Okay. I say to her, you should add Uku because Uku want to finish her. That's a red boot. Yeah? See there? No liar story this. Flag salute. Yeah, girl. Then she say, okay, out doing groceries.
Look my groceries.
Full out. I go out. She want to say that. She said, full out. That's how intelligent don't the woman has.
The woman has.
When Obi go out, I will come live and fuck her up. And she write, okay. And I turn to her and I say, okay, I am going to call Uku. Yep.
Uku.
And then I said, I say, I love how you bring down those bitches. Those bitch. I said, good job.
Job.
Okay.
The job at the groceries.
Them a baby in a them lane that she wants, but the woman fully done. Yeah, she want to say, when she say my word them spell right, you know. Me never gone to school, come in knock up my blood
job.
clot even time if I go to school.
Watch
I'm
Puss
in
job.
hiding at the
We
church back
spell
at the
right.
fuck.
Okay.
And when me fear go to school, go learn the golden blood clots with me I breed. So we never get no time for blood clot to read and write. But she was such a fully educated look. Me say, yes, I love it. Yes, of course I love it. Yeah, girl. Then she say, laugh out loud, especially dirty brassy. See there? She said, me tell her to come rub brassy. She turn it around and say, and show it. See there? Laugh out loud, especially dirty brassy. Me say, when I come on, I'm coming on for the crowd to go up and then Uku come on and bring them Diary, Brassy and Red Boot too. She turned it fair away and I said, me said to her, I said, come bring down Brassy, Red Boot and no bitch. And I said, go see the text here. Me say, Uku, when I come on for the crowd to go up, then Uku, see blood clot, yeah, you read it the wrong way, see it yeah, exhibit. Oko, I gonna come on and bring down Diary, Brassy, and Red Boot too. And woman, you tell lies, say me, say, when you come on, I want you to rub Brassy, Red Boot. See, the people so lie, the woman is a wicked. See it here in black and white, you know. Her blue and
That's
white, you
not
know. The
diary.
woman say,
That's
me, say,
dairy.
I want you to rub Brassy, Diary, and Red Boot. No, lady. No, see it here. When I come on, for the crowd to go up. Boot. Yes, indeed. We did my chores out in our shop. All right. Go there. Me say, yep. Then she said, okay, big up. Then 8th of August. Go live. I'm coming on your live. See there? Go live, because she texted me, I go up on live. I can't go up on live. I say, all right, go live, I'm coming on your live. So you see it at all time, me, I go on her live to fight my own fucking battle. Lady, show the people in the right text. Then she said, okay, see there now. See the blood clot evidence. So the woman a liar and wicked, you know. Me say, okay, I will come on the live. Okay, go live, I come on the live. Me too bad. Me too
Them
blood
comment are
clot
too
bad, woman.
festive.
Woman, you
IG
never
need to
heard
see
about
every
blood
comment
clot
them
me, woman.
again.
I'm not for nobody. Away I slap her. Then she call me back and say, go back live if you can. 3rd of October. I say, okay. That was earlier. Me asked her, I said, are you calling me? She said, yeah, that was earlier. Listen, she about what she was about. Then she called me, see the fight, the 5th of October back. She called me, see the dirty woman show me a call you. And then me say, reply to her store. She was store up. I say, nice one, mate. Me for the dog food she did have up. I'm right, nice one, mate. But
We
don't feel
can't do
blood
that
clot
right
special. Say
now.
to everybody. Is where my phone can blood clot
Me not know my
comprehend.
phone.
It say, woman, don't feel blood clot special. And she say, no. If you go up on live now, I say, yes. And then me say, okay, sit there. Nice one, mate. And then she say, thanks, mate. So ass face, dog face, shit up face, blood clot, do, blood clot, oh man. Resuscitation, blood clot face, oh man. Eh? Wicked woman, oh ya lie. Eh? Oh yeah, blood clot. Like I read the text them around. Read out the blood clot text. It's in the paper. It's in the blood clot something. Slag smooth. Eh? Nasty blood clot, frankincense and me old woman. And what time you come with Palone and the whole of the dirty people them. I'm a run you and tell us me I keep it from blood clot, dog wall gone, dog wall red boot and dog wall fret them and dog board. Who's to ever come a fully blood clot bad way I'd say. Talk to me now. Boy, you read text back we see the blood clot. Yeah man, I face even my mother can love. Eh? Boy, yeah, come blood clot shot. Nasty woman. Eh? Crow blood clot be it. Monkey blood clot that. Eh? Monkey woman, where your blood clot stay? Eh? Your face blood clot. Only a mother could have love your face because your face is a sight to blood clot monkey backside. nasty woman. Boy, you come blood clot. Boy, you exhibit the facts. Nasty woman, look here. She have man in her bed. She have man in her bed. And you can't lie down and show your blood clot, man. The mannequin your blood clot above. The girl have man in her blood clot bed. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch goodie. The girl have man in her blood clot bed. And when you have a blood clot robot to your program. A robot to your blood clot program. A robot to blood clot you have with your program. Yeah, girl. Move your blood clot. Every no teeth, girl have a blood clot, man. Oh, you go cockroach. Hmm?
Puss I tried and it now work.
Oh, it go. John Crabab. Hmm? Oh, it blood clot go. In cockroach bed. Oh, it blood clot go. Eh? Be a liar, blood clot. Let's say I come out with my blood clot, deported. My support tired son. Blood clot, clackets. I'm here wait now, embarrass clot feet. And I know you embarrass your blood clots because you talk too strong. And you come from 10 to 0.0.0. You know, see how stupid you live. Eh? You live stupid, you look stupid, you act stupid, and your life blood clot stupid. You say you're gonna come, oh, Puss, you're gonna come dash out your blood clot because your blood clot tell somebody and you tell a friend to tell a blood clot friend and the friend tell you. Eh? And then you can't show you're gonna come blood clot, come with video with me at time. Remember, woman, everything when me slag and up on blood clot Instagram. Gram. No blood clots. I need wheat.
Let me see, me not even read the comments.
Or if you want to come now, me come for Instagram with my business and you're going to look somebody for sure and I'm going to try use what me say. You stupid bitch. Go ahead after Trey say you don't have nothing for me. Go suck about it all. I call me daughter again. So you have to record that one here. So, I ask you.
Are you figure get a life?
Then I ask you.
And come off of this before me take you off.
Call me blood clot now again. So record that one I know.
Me not block the girl yet.
Tough.
Yeah.
Where you there? Tough.
Hello?
Where are you?
I'm going to a New Year's Eve night vigil.
Night village, Ajante, now come back till the morning. Madonna did send me Christmas.
No, it finishes at 12:15.
Oh, Madonna, my Christmas money where Madonna give me. My Christmas money where Madonna give me. She sent now your account or my account.
She sent it to your account.
So she never.
My account.
She sent it to your account.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can check my account for me and WhatsApp me how much is on my account.
How much is in your account?
Yeah, why you WhatsApp me? Why you check it for me, my baby?
I'll see if I can load it because I don't even have that much data. Even on my phone. I'll see if I can load it if it loads.
You know, got work today.
It's New Year's Eve.
Oh, New Year's Eve. Oh, so when you go back at work?
Maybe possibly tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. But tomorrow.
Crash.
And New Year's tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
I hope I double them pay you. Tough.
She not even know if it's
you send me
spelled
Christmas. Oh, you say you're going to send me money for me Christmas. So you know what send me. And you say what I want for Christmas. Uncle Madonna, what you not send me?
Wow.
Yeah, the 2 jobs so you can send me money.
Our people, but I don't even know what the fuck she writes it.
With the TA, I didn't get to work that much with the TA in December.
Okay, baby. But when me I say tough, Tough.
Yeah.
Anytime I call you if you send me money, I offer money, you send me my money or your money.
Anytime you call.
Yeah, for money. Offer money.
Anytime.
Yeah, offer money, me tell you send me. Your money or mine.
It can be both. It can be, I think it's usually both.
Tough it up.
Usually both.
My money. My money.
It's usually both.
Tough it up. My
I would
money.
say.
My money.
It's usually both.
Tough it up, you know, give away prayers. And my money.
But you would probably send more. Your money will probably be more. But it is usually both.
No, but it still come down to my money. Well, you forgive me, so it's my money. So if you forgive me money, it's my money.
What do you mean?
My money.
Wait.
Let me tell you something with tough. All any time I my own money, I may ask tough it a fee. Tough it a one, you hear me always talk. What's me doing with money? When I want money for, what me I got to do with money, and it's my money. Because she knows me hand free. And I will give up my money and lend out my money. Tough it a monitor my account. Tough monitor my account. Madam I used to monitor my account, and madam I use up my money every day. And anytime madam I need money, I'm turn over to tough. Yeah? So anytime he call my jagga them and ask him money, my money. And if my children them give me money, them supposed to give me money. Come me take care of them na jungle. Yeah, where I say now tough, talk to me.
Mom, are you on live?
No.
Who are you speaking to?
Or me I talk to Carolina. Me I talk to a monkey from Canada. You can get the monkey, the monkey me I talk to when I'm here.
On the phone.
You have to go buy back me fish them top up, come here, so you kill off all of me fish them.
Me?
Yeah.
Me kill off fish.
Yeah. You did yesterday Adi asked me for taxi fare. You did pay our taxi fare for your
Puss, you must stop lie to the youth them.
I sent her £26 from my account.
And you try it back out of mine.
I didn't draw it back out. What do you mean by draw it back out?
Oh, so you give her that. So you pay her that. She did ask for cab fare.
I sent the £26.
So you give her that then. So that means that not come out of mine, thank God.
No. It was.
Hey, spirit comes to bump. Yeah, girl. That not bad. You try. That not bad. Tough. That's not bad. Murder. Tough.
Oh gosh.
I need to speak to you privately when you're waiting on there. What time now, Tough?
It's 8:41.
Don't get adding no money out of my account unless you speak to me. Eh?
Usually when she asks, she's saying it. Usually when she's asking from the money that comes from my account that should be going to you. Like, she doesn't usually ask about your money.
No, but when she asks, when she tell us, say, Mommy say forgive her money, make sure you're waiting there with me. Make sure you clear our mother not too. Make sure you clarify with me. Don't give them the money out of my account unless you speak to me. Me tell you already. Tough. All of my life insurance, them, phone insurance, the money. None of my direct debit, them, not stop. You check my account, you don't get. None of my direct.
What's going on here?
You check the direct debit. None of my direct debit, them, not stop.
The heck?
Remember the life insurance I made it fill out for me before me leave.
Pardon, 1 minute.
Teeny mad. Keep talking, Puss.
Tough talk.
Hold on. Hold on.
You see your two big guy them?
You see, Mom? You see my data them. Hold on. Do you mean as if the money is going through for your life insurance?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be going through. Last time they should be going through monthly.
Okay, yeah, because make you set it up for me monthly. Well, if the bank not send a letter, and a letter not come, they say it stop, because you don't read my letter then and send it to me.
Some people.
Huh?
Some people are quick.
What you say, baby?
Some people are quick.
Some people are quick.
I just checked your account. It says
Text me.
Sky
Just WhatsApp.
subscription.
What? Just WhatsApp it me.
Okay, all right.
Send it to my WhatsApp.
Take care. Bye.
Love,
Happy New Year.
Tough.
Yeah.
Give me a kiss.
Mom.
Give me a Happy New Year kiss.
Can you still see me?
Yeah. Mwah. Give me a kiss.
The thing is blurry for me.
Me know, but give me a
screen
kiss.
moving.
Give me a kiss. Let me hear him up, but mwah. Yep.
Mom.
When you go back at university. All right, tough talk.
Yeah, okay. I'll send you the screenshot, yeah. Well, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, baby. Love you. Mwah. Love you, my baby.
Bye. Bye.
Tough time my birthday I come. So you have to tell me where you want from now. Call me where you come from, night vigil.
If I'll see. I don't know about straight after, but
For me, we call you. You know me up and stunted.
But bye.
All right, go tough.
Yeah.
Tough.
Mom.
Hold on.
Yeah.
You remember the something when I send you to send my money through the something so I can use the pound account. To send the money through my pound account at Jamaica. So I can draw it back pound. Remember the something I tell you? To fill out for me.
You can't draw back nothing pound, can you? Don't you have to go to the bank and get your...
Yeah, with me and Omar come. I'm going to tell you, say, if I send you the details, say, if set it up so you can put when the money if you go in, you put it in a pound.
I'll speak to you soon.
All right, my baby. Love you.
Bye.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
You hear the dirty woman say, I don't have an account at England, I have one at Jamaica. That's the woman dead again.
Yeah, pure nonsense she a chat, Jenna.
I don't have one at Jamaica.
She's so stupid.
Actually, I can't go look for my bank card, you know. My England and my Jamaica account. Dirty woman, if you ever seen my account, you cry. If you ever seen my account, you stay away. Watch it, you must not go down.
But her team puts them a cuss her.
Just buy food. Nice. Can smell tasted ginger and the mutton mass there. The nasty crow bait, woman.
Teeny always a batter up.
They put 5 pepper, and pepper they are 0 pepper. 0 blood clot. But the dirty woman, the now we fuck woman. The woman will have the blood clot, man, it quit in her blood clot. Nasty woman. It's very tough to send me. You see a blood clot, tough send me, you know. See the screenshot.
Tough no send her nothing so quick. Tough I go her party. She's so live. She not read nothing.
When you check to the blood clot direct debit, them I think up life insurance them appear.
Lies. Lies. Tough no send her nothing so quick. Lie.
Oh, some madam I put the sky something in my bank account. No, man, I got to call madam about this. That's why tough it a smart.
The lies.
Call back tough. Why me a pay sky for them and them they are England, let me they are Jamaica. Not a blood clot. Me pay to me they are England. 70 pounds. Tough.
Hello.
Why me a pay sky phone now? Why me a pay sky phone now?
But that's why I said I don't know why the subscription is coming when it should be me. It's me and Britannia paying the Sky, so I don't know why it's coming out of your account. That's what I'm trying to say.
Well, me a call Britannia.
Yeah, speak to her.
Tough, check my bank statement for me, baby. All on Britannia.
Mama, I sent you the one of December.
Check the one for November. Actually, I see how long madam I use her head for me. Check it for me and send it to me. Dirty little dog. I call it back, baby. Love you.
I'll speak to you soon. Bye.
Yeah. Gonjo. That's why Tough send me this, you know.
Oh, okay.
See Tough?
Church
if
in
Tough
God.
take $1 out of your account, she tell you. If you send Tough it to a shop and 5p left or 25p, she call you, mommy, can I take that 20? Tough it is so honest. They have $300 left. They take it, see there. £20 for my.
What you page them over there?
Me I pay a coach fine, you know. All of my blood clot direct them up to blood clot date. John Crow. All of my life insurance them up to blood clot date. Where I say, all of my blood clot. Madam, I give Madam that for your Christmas, £1,300 for she and Orico. See them my blood clot, dirty woman. You can't chat to me, dirty woman. See there, Britannia Williams. See there? See blood clot there, Britannia Williams. See there? Transaction. Where you talk about?
I rent money.
Woman.
It's
see,
the rent.
Dirty woman.
The rent money.
Where you talk about, woman?
The rent money at England.
You chat a bag of shit. That's why I always have the blood clot facts. Dirty woman. Nasty woman. Woman where you not have no proof or nothing where you have blood clot shots. See we prove them, yeah? December, 30th of December, transaction. See there? See me blood clot account here where me have, woman. Me have me check when me check book them, me blood clot check book here, so. I check blood clot book, see there? Britannia Williams. See there? Dirty woman.
Shall make me move my hand?
Woman. What you know about me? Nasty woman. Tajira Williams.
I the rent money.
Lieutenant Williams again, make him more than a $400 again. See that woman. Clock the woman. November, make him more than a £400. See that? Nasty blood clot, woman, where I say, evidence my blood clot roll out when me I roll out. You say me have no bank account at England. I pity them now. The whole of me pity them a bank account, dirty woman. Undersell a blood clot, woman. Woman with the frankincense blood clot all we are slap about. Me have my blood clot life insurance. Them set up my blood clot with me and my children.
And where are them page that come from over
about 4
Puss?
different life insurance. For me and my blood clot pity them. Because I get too much dead threat for enough set my blood clot life insurance. I mean say, if I shall die, my children them live good and nice. Dirty woman.
She go block them people there over there.
My blood clot show, you see there? Every blood clot month. Madonna get that. Every blood clot month. Let me show you nasty woman. Let me show you nasty woman. Every month. So she can buy food and sit in at the house and pay a bill. See there? Dirty woman. See there? November. Me show you October. November, October. Dirty woman. We had talk about. We had talk about woman. We had talk about. No, I ask you. Go a dirty woman. You can't live like blood clot. Live cool. The priority come on and not talk. Come with blood clot teacher, but me call blood clot mother that come no me happy a bomb clot. I'ma tell me, hey, hold on. But they have blood clot Jamaica, me have to pay a light and gas.
Well, I don't know why, Brash.
Tough for pay. Light and gas come there Jamaica. Call blood clot, man. Dirty woman record 2501, but in give me wrong. Same can't fuck up my own Madonna, yeah. You know? Dirty woman. My heart, you know. Oh yeah, come chat. You can chat to me. I tell you, say,